Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking us on a beginner store on Canva. So sit, relax and enjoy. So I decided to do this video for people who would love to start using Canva and it's their first time on the app. So let's call this a quick tour for beginners on Canva. So once you open Canva, everyone knows how to log in and sign up, right? So I'm just going to take you on a quick tour. Yeah, I'm going to show you everything that is here for you on Canva. Yeah, so once you log in, this is the interface you're going to see. Don't mind my big English. This is what you're going to see, right? You're going to see your nav bar, and you're going to see your profile picture, template project, brand hub, content planner, discover apps, smart mockups, invite members, trash, settings, get help, and then try Canva Pro. It's showing try Canva Pro because I am still using the free section of Canva. So right now, what's your profile entails is, you know what profile entails, just your name and every other thing, your account settings, get help, privacy policy, sign out, just as you have on every other app. And then this is your template, has every other template, like every other design that's already prepared for you to like work on, for you to customize, to make it your own design. So, and then the next one is projects. Projects are the works you've done already. Let's say you've worked on a design on Canva or a video or something on Canva. Everything goes to that project folder. And then we have brand hub. On top of the brand hub, you see it's titled tools. So every other thing you see under these tools is a whole lot of things you can use to make your design better and more better and finer. So you have brand hub, like you could go there to see different styles of brand design and the what of you, every other thing you have in there. And then you have content planner. Yeah, this would help you like plan your content for those who want to be making their own designs for IG. It will help you plan your content, or for social media, any social media platform whatsoever. And then discover apps. From here also you can have access to other helpful apps that you can use in making your designs better. As you can see here, text to image is here, binder is here, brand folder is here, so many things, your Google Drive, so many things are here that you can use to make your work easier. And then smart mockups are just as the word mockups. You want to see the reality of your designs, you can use the smart mockup. And then invite, we all know what inviting people is. Once you click on it, it goes there to invite. And then trash, this is where all you have deleted comes to. For me, I don't have any stuff I've deleted, so it is empty, but then this is where it comes to. And then you have just 30 days to restore them. You will see every other thing here. And without further ado, let's just get into the main thing. Okay, so here is the home. On the should we call this nav bar as well? Yes. So on your nav bars, you have your home. Your home brings you to where you get samples of what you like to try, and then your recent design, right? And more samples for Instagram, your stories, and it's just like a welcoming page for you. And then you have, this is for you. Yes, it's even titled for you. And then you have docs. This doc represents documents like data head, project overview, you know, all documents that has to do with official purposes and work and every other thing. And then you have whiteboards is just like for those of you who are not new to what storyboarding is, or brainstorming. You've used tools like Miro and tools like FeedJam. So here on Canva, they actually call their own whiteboard. So this is where you do all your brainstorming and all your mood board. You get all your ideas and put them here. This is what it's called here on Figma. Sorry, here on Canva, it's called whiteboards. So we'll go to social media. Yeah, and this is where you have all your templates for quick designs, easy designs for social media. You have the one for Instagram, you can see it there. You have the one for Facebook, you can see it there. You have the one for LinkedIn, you can also see there. And the amazing thing about all these different platforms is that you have all the sizes there already. Like, you don't need to start breaking your head and saying, what's this, what's the measurement, what's the resolution. Everything is already mapped out for you. That's how amazing Canva is and Canva can be if you choose to try it. So we have presentations here. We have to do with videos and recordings and everything that has to do with video presentation. So yes, this is what you get here for presentation purposes and for videos as well. Like, this is where you get to edit your videos and every other thing that has to do with sound and movement, right? So this is the place, and you have so many templates you can choose from. So let's say you want to work on a video, you can just choose the one you prefer to work with. Let's use this one as an example. I can tap on it, and all you need to do is delete one or two things or add one or two things to just make it yours, to make it your own design. So you can tap on this guy and click on replace. It takes you to whatever you'd like to replace it with. Right, let's replace it with this, and it just goes in there. So there's a lot Canva has for us. Let's just go back. So that's the video section, and then you have the website section. This is where, like, it's mind-blowing. A whole lot of people would want to make their own website themselves. You have amazing templates you can use as well for food, for restaurant business, for any kind of business at all, your company, anything at all. You could use their templates, and you could actually use them also and then make it better, or use them and just be happy with what is there. So that's, and then you have more. You have things like infographic designs, photo collage. For those of you who are photogenic and like to merge one photo to the other, Canva actually gives you that ability as well, or opportunity to do that. So you have desktop wallpaper, we have graphs, people who work with graph, students and architects and the rest of them, book covers, a whole lot, mind maps, magazine covers, Zoom virtual background, calendar, posters, worksheets, report sheets, planner, comic strip, business proposal, class schedule, concept map, artistic CD cover, graphics design, graphic organizer, where you can actually organize your idea and every other, your work process and the rest. You have tags, you have invoices, you have YouTube intro and flyers and ebook covers and the lesson plan and the program, blog graphics, bookmark, phone paper, every other thing is there. And the most amazing thing is they give you options to choose from, color options, design options, every other thing to choose from. So all you need to do is look at what you want and then pick. Let's say you want to make a proposal. All you need to do is go right here, look for the one. You can go, if you want to see more highlights, if you want to see more options, you can click on see all. It takes you to more options where you can choose from, and then all you need to do is just click on it, right? Just tap on it right here as it is, and voila, once it comes up, all you need to do is tap on where you would like to change. You can, if you have a logo there, you can put the logo, or you want to change the text you can just click on edit, and yeah, you can just do your Sophia's design hub. So you can just do your thing here, and yeah, Sophia's design hub proposal, and yeah, 2023. You can just and when you're done, all you need to do is save, and you can see every other option here. You can view only, you can invite someone, you can copy the template link, you can present immediately, you can clipboard, it's the same thing as copy. You can get the QR code as well, download this very section. You can post directly to Instagram, also post directly to Facebook. There's so many options. You can save to a folder right here on your Canva, and then you can send directly to TikTok, send directly to a whole lot of other apps. So they work hand in hand with all these apps that you can see right here. There are a lot of them. So they have collaborations with a wide range of other apps. It's so amazing. So down here you see where it's written download. When you click on it, it will give you options on how you want your file to be, what file extension you want it to be. If you want it on JPEG, you want it on PNG, you want it on PDF, every other style is here, right? So yeah, there's a whole lot. And then if you want to share the link as well, once you click on sharing the link, it just takes you to where you'd like to. If you want to send it via mail, more apps will show you same thing we've just done here as well. We've just seen across this space as well, and it will even show you more apps that they have collaborated with. How awesome can Canva be? So yeah, Canva has a whole lot of things you can play with, a whole lot of things. And if you want to enjoy more of Canva, you can subscribe to their premium package. It gives you more access to greater designs and greater options. So yeah, for our newbies, I think this is all about Canva. So we're done with homes. I think there's more. We're done with homes, and now this is projects. Right, under the project, just as I said in the beginning, you have every other thing you've worked on before. You can filter. Because here in Canva, you can actually share your documents. That's why you're saying shared with you, or just your own personal account, or any owner. So yeah, so you can filter via owner, via category, via dates that you did the design. And how awesome can Canva be? As again, it shares your work into folders like designs and images and videos, so your stuffs are not scattered. It just automatically arranges them for you. So yeah, just in case too you would like to whilst you're working, you would want to upload stuff, it also gives you the access to upload pictures and images and videos on your Canva platform as well. So yeah, this is where this plus sign here just means that you want to start a new design. That's what the plus sign is. So when you click on it, it takes you to where it shows you the kind of board you like to be working with. If you want to make an Instagram post flyer, you'd have to choose the Instagram post square, or if you want to work on a Facebook post, you have to choose the landscape. So yeah, that is for templates. And then Canva Pro, like as I said earlier, if you want to get more features and more options and more amazing designs, all you need to do is subscribe to subscribe. All you need to do is subscribe to I'm going to cut this. So all you need to do is subscribe to So yeah, thank you for watching once more. Please subscribe, like, and share my video.